Under grouping for text, there's this word art here. Add artistic flair to your document using add word text box. So let me click on the down arrow here. There are several types here. You can choose amongst this. There's this one here with a shadow, this other type with an outline, and let me click on any. This one here with the shadow. So I have this text box here. I'm going to write something. Make money online. So you see this type of word that it has some reflection of this word just below it. Also, I can add some few styling. I can change this the word style into different one by just clicking. And ensure first and left to ensure it is selected, and just click on this one here, and it will change automatically change. And I click on the other one, change.